Hi, my name is Miss Shani, and I'm going to be helping your teacher by reading this book. This book is called Feast for 10, written and illustrated by Katherine Falwell, published by Scholastic Incorporated. This book is about a family that is getting ready for a big meal, a feast. Today, we are going to see what happens at the beginning of the book, the middle of the book, and at the end of the book. Feast for 10. One cart into the grocery store. This is the beginning of the book. They are going to go shopping. 2 pumpkins for pie. 3 chickens to fry. 4 children off to look for more. 5 kinds of beans. 6 bunches of greens. Getting all the food ready onto the cart. 7 dill pickles stuffed in a jar. 8 ripe tomatoes. 9 plump potatoes. 10 hands help to load the car. Then 1 car home from the grocery store. 2 will look, 3 will cook. This is the middle of the story because they are about to cook. They are gonna cook the food. 4 will taste and ask for more. 5 empty cans. 6 pots and pans. 7 more carrots to wash and peel. 8 platters down. 9 chairs around. 10 hungry folks share the meal. This is the end of the story because they are eating. This happens at the end. The end. Now, I want you to think about if you can remember what happened at the beginning of the book, the middle of the book, and at the end of the book. Thanks for listening.